Hey guys, welcome to a quick tutorial on how to switch between two different Gmail accounts in VEO3 using the Flow platform. I'm currently facing an issue where I can't switch accounts because there's no built-in feature for it. When I try signing out from one account and again sign in with Google, it automatically logs me back into the previous account and I don't get the option to choose a different one. So here's the workaround I found. Go to your browser history, search for anything related to VEO3 and clear that specific history, or clear all browsing data if needed. Once done, close your browser completely. Now, reopen the browser, search for VEO3, and open it through Flow. Try signing in with Google again. You'll likely be logged back into the previous account automatically. Here's the trick. Sign out again, then launch Flow once more and click Sign in with Google. This time, you should see a window where you can choose a different Gmail account. Select the one you want. And there you go. I'm now logged in with the other Gmail account. Thanks for watching. If you know of a better or official way to switch accounts, feel free to drop it in the comments. But for now, this workaround is what worked best for me.